I'm back again, and my sister is going to join us in this wonderful food and see how she likes it.
You can fix your own.
Oh, this is mine. Oh.
Well,
okay then. I know something. Not baby. Mom, you know how to record me while I'm doing
Just act natural.
like caramel.
So how are you doing, daughter? The world hasn't seen you.
But they heard me trying it.
So watch her drop the food from her mouth.
come on.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going.
I cooked this food.
Zana, come back here. Zana. How does it taste?
It's like caramel. But it's good.
Is it good?
See, you can't hear because you're over there.
Is it good? Is it yes or no?
No, it's not good.
Viewers out there, I hope that you can understand that this is a serious matter. This is my first time on YouTube. Cooking!
Come back.
She's my sister. We all have some trials, and this is one of them.
Wait.
Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
No.
Well, Charlie, you want to sing?
No, I'm eating.
Oh, yeah. That's your diet? Is that why how you stay slim?
I guess.
Okay. Bye, honey.
Bye.